Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can highlight PDF in computer. So the first step you need to do is to click on the PDF, click on open with, and here you need to select Microsoft Edge and wait for a few seconds. Now it is open. So here you can see the option of highlight. Click here and select the color. So let's suppose I want to highlight with red. So now you need to select the text. So I want to highlight this text. Okay, once you done that, you simply need to click here to save that PDF into your PC at any location wherever you want. So click here and you can download this and click on save. So this is the process that you need to follow to highlight PDF in computer. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.